AI is incredibly good at answering questions, but can it actually use GitHub, query a database, or send a Slack message? That's exactly the problem the Model Context Protocol or MCP solves. Large language models are excellent at understanding language. They can reason about problems, generate code, explain complex concepts, and even help us make decisions. But they have one major limitation. They don't have built-in access to your enterprise tools. An LLM can't automatically open your GitHub repository. It can't query your production database. It can't send a Slack message. And it can't access your organization's file systems. The limitation isn't intelligence, it's connectivity. That's the gap Model Context Protocol is designed to bridge. Today, every time an AI application needs access to a new system, developers usually build a custom integration. Need GitHub? Build one connector. Need Slack? Build another. Need Jira? Build another. Need a database? Another connector. This works initially, but as organizations adopt more AI applications and more enterprise systems, the number of custom integrations grows rapidly. The result is duplicated engineering effort, increased maintenance, and systems that become difficult to scale. There has to be a better way. Imagine your organization has 10 AI applications. Now imagine 20 enterprise systems. Without a common standard, every application needs to integrate with every system. Instead of building a few integrations, you're maintaining hundreds of connections. Every API change affects multiple applications. Teams repeat the same work again and again. The problem isn't AI. The problem is the lack of a common communication protocol. Think about USB-C. Years ago, every device had its own cable. Today, one connector works across many devices. Model Context Protocol brings the same idea to AI. Instead of every AI application speaking a different language, MCP provides one standard protocol for communicating with external tools and services. One protocol, many integrations, far less complexity. So what exactly is Model Context Protocol? MCP is an open standard that enables AI applications to communicate with external tools, data sources, and services through one unified interface. Before MCP, every model required custom integrations. After MCP, each AI application implements the protocol once. Each external system implements it once. From that point on, they can communicate using the same standardized language. That's what makes MCP so powerful. Now let's follow a complete MCP request. First, MCP has to be initialized. Then, everything begins with the user prompt. The user asks the AI to perform a task. For example, summarize the latest pull request from GitHub. The request first reaches the AI assistant. Here, the language model understands the user's intent and decides whether it needs an external tool to complete the request. Next, the MCP client prepares a structured tool invocation. Think of it as translating the AI's decision into a standardized MCP request. That request travels across the MCP transport. The transport acts as the protocol boundary between the AI application and enterprise systems, ensuring both sides communicate using the same standard. The request then reaches the MCP server. The server discovers the requested capability and routes the request to the appropriate tool, resource, or prompt. For example, it might query GitHub, search documentation, or access a database. The tool executes the operation and returns structured results back through the same MCP pipeline. Finally, the AI combines those results with its own reasoning to generate the response that the user sees. Every MCP interaction follows this same high-level flow, from understanding the request to invoking tools to generating an intelligent response. Now that we have seen the request flow, let's understand the architecture. Every MCP system consists of 4 core components. The host is the AI application the user interacts with. The client manages the MCP connection. The server exposes capabilities that AI can discover dynamically. And finally, tools and resources represent external systems such as GitHub, databases, documentation, or business applications. Each component has one clear responsibility, making the architecture modular, scalable, and easy to extend. The MCP server is where capabilities are exposed to AI. It provides three important building blocks. Tools are executable functions that AI applications can invoke to perform actions. For example, file operations, API calls, database queries. Resources are data sources that provide contextual information to AI applications. For example, file contents, database records, API responses. And prompts provide reusable templates that guide common workflows. Together, these three primitives allow AI applications to discover capabilities dynamically, instead of relying on hard-coded integrations. RAG and MCP are two complementary patterns. RAG and MCP often work together, but they solve different problems. Retrieval augmented generation focuses on knowledge. It retrieves relevant information and adds that context to the prompt, helping the AI produce better answers. MCP focuses on actions. It allows the AI to interact with GitHub, Slack, databases, file systems, and many other enterprise tools. A simple way to remember this is RAG helps AI know more, MCP helps AI do more. Do you also think MCP replaces APIs? Answer is not at all. APIs remain the foundation for exposing software capabilities. MCP builds on top of them. It provides a standardized, AI-native way for language models and AI agents to discover and use those capabilities. In simple terms, APIs are designed for software developers. MCP is designed for AI applications. It doesn't replace APIs, it makes them easier for AI to use. Let's quickly recap. Model Context Protocol is an open standard for connecting AI applications to external tools, data, and services. It enables dynamic discovery of capabilities through tools, resources, and prompts. It simplifies integrations by replacing custom connectors with one standardized protocol. And together with technologies like RAG, MCP enables AI systems that can not only answer questions but also perform real work. With new version released on July 28, 2026, MCP is now stateless protocol.